I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been.
Good morning, guys. We are down at the beach. Right, Jess? We are in Long Beach Island, the place that we come to every summer, except what's different about this summer is we are at a hotel because the whole family couldn't go, and with the move and all of that, it was just a lot to rent that house that we usually do. So yeah, and actually you're right, it's just the two of us, which is kind of cool too. We haven't done that in how long? We usually bring that whole family. So here's Fisherman Jess. We're making Jess some breakfast. I had my bar because I brought, look guys, be proud, I brought 2 big bags of bars. But for Jess, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what he's having. All right, so for Jess, he's having some Taylor ham. Last night we stopped off at Walmart and got him some cheese, some eggs. Here's the Taylor ham that we're making, but down the shore they call it pork roll. He's got one of these drinks, and check this out, guys. Chicken breast in a can, some palmini and green beans. These are just some of the little things we got just to have in the room. You never know. And then we're jacked on some Diet Coke, some water, and drinks because, like I said, it's gonna be over 100 degrees today. So I'm gonna make Jess his breakfast, and then we're gonna head outside. How's the sandwich?
Great stuff.
Tell us what's on it.
Bread, eggs, Taylor ham, cheese. Good morning.
Morning. What kind of cheese?
Apparently this is provolone, apparently that one's pepper jack. And I'm alternating.
Yeah, you're taking a bite of each. What are we doing today?
Having fun.
So far. I think we're gonna head down to the beach. Jess, you're gonna go fishing, right?
Yeah, when the tide comes in. We're gonna kind of frolic a little bit now.
Yeah.
And then the tide starts coming in between 12 and 1, and it peaks at around 5 or so.
All right, sounds good. Bye. So we made it to the beach. It's a gorgeous day. Sitting right by the lifeguards. Got my umbrella. Got my chair. Check it out, it has a pillow. And I'm gonna lay back and relax. Whoa guys, it is hot out here. I just opened the umbrella. It's gotta be close to 99 degrees. I just poured a bottle of water on myself and I'm about to go in the water. Just wanted to show you this little necklace. When Jess and I were dating, he got it for me. It's actually the map of the island that we're on. And I've had it all these years and I try to wear it every time we come down, but sometimes I forget. But I remembered it this year. So, very special piece. Got my bag. Got my fuelings. Got my, I'll show you. Got my big giant jug of water. I bought this at Walmart. Can you see me? Trying to hold, it's hard to see the screen because it's so bright. Got this at Walmart, have ice water in it, have had Powerade Zeros, staying hydrated. So, enjoying the day, guys. See you later. Want to show you these. Jess and I got walkie-talkies. Actually got him this one year as part of his Christmas present. These are by Cobra. They have like a 35-mile range. And we take these here because sometimes the cell service is a little weird. So we communicate via these. So I'm going to show you how it works. Watch. Jess, can you hear me?
Hey, what's up?
just showing everybody on YouTube how these things work. These things are great. Here's what it looks like again. So when I want to talk to him, I can press the call button. It's pretty cool. Or you can just press this. All right, just wanted to share. So where are we headed, Bibs? Dinner.
Yeah.
We're headed for dinner. We're headed for dinner. We're dressed. Leggings, sneakers, sweatshirt. Because, why? It gets cool here at night. We're gonna go play golf maybe, go eat, and have fun. See you in a bit.